I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Connecting a new device to a SoFi account is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Open the SoFi app. Launch the SoFi app on your device. Make sure you are using the latest version for the best experience. Step 2. Sign in. Enter your login credentials to access your SoFi account. If you've forgotten your password, use the forgot password link to reset it. Step 3. Navigate to device settings. Once logged in, go to the settings menu, usually found in the top right corner. Look for device management or similar option. Step 4. Add new device. Before starting recovery, use the s.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Confirm connection. After adding the device, check for a confirmation message. If you don't see it, try refreshing the app while logging out and back in. Sometimes the app may not update immediately. I hope this guide helps you connect your new device easily. If you run into any issues, feel free to reach out for more assistance.